morning. Beautiful day outside. Ah, there goes having a... Oh, you pinch mommy's tea? You should not drink tea. You love tea, huh? You love tea? Looks like you're hungry. Good morning. Good morning.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye-bye. Gorgeous. You like watching your face there? Oh, Daddy. I do some work. Before that, I have some news. Yeah, the news is that we had an earthquake a couple of days ago, nighttime. Nighttime, 1:20 a.m. or something like that. 4.7 reached the scale, but the thing is, it wasn't far. It was just north of Dipolog, but it was 10 kilometers on the ground, which is good. So we didn't get so much, but we felt the tremor, we felt the shaking. Now the house is fine. I haven't heard anybody around having problem because I haven't been outside. I've been sick yesterday. I've been sick with my kidney stone. Yeah, just a day. I don't know, I had blood in the urine and just for a day, I don't know. And then today I feel good. And the day before was fine. So that stone is still traveling down. I feel the pain down now. So eventually it will go away. Don't know when, but it will. Anyway, I'm fine now. Now let's go back with the ceiling and see how far we went last time. Before we attack the ceiling once again, just appreciate all the people who came with advice on how to fix that or why it's happening. And yes, it's true that it's probably swallowing. I should have used a primer. There is a primer, but it's too late now. I mean, there's no point priming. So the thing I should be doing, somebody told me, is that just let it dry for a few days. Once it dries for a few days and you put the other coating, it's not gonna, HardieFlex not gonna absorb it. It's finished. This is gonna be protected. So we'll do that. We wait a couple of days, a few days, and then I will give another little touch. It's not everywhere, just a little bit here and there. Okay. Now next job, we're gonna put the metal stud across here, the ceiling. But before that, I need to put one on the end here, screw in. And it's not gonna sit on top of those angle line. It's gonna be screwed on the walls, probably better. Okay, I just came from the next hardware store, small one. 5 meter tape measure, 180 pesos. Just over $3, I think. Okay, let's go to Robert Hervey house. See how they're progressing. Okay, here's an update, guys. A little bit of a landscaping. Oh, there's a wall here. Okay.
No, they're starting the road upstairs.
I will try to go up there after.
No, they do this floor again because I want minimum 6 inches cement.
Yeah.
So all the old floor is already.
Okay. It's dry, yeah? Oh, again there.
We don't have start now.
Oh, it's a big dog now.
He's starting the pool's starting there. Oh, they want big. Sunday I have a loaders coming to take all my stuff and fill up the front. He's big.
Huh?
He's big.
That's gonna be a big lounge. A kitchen.
Here's another company. It's another company coming here with us. Don't go there. Don't go there because you just did that. That will be where the pool table would be, tennis table, and not tennis, but ping pong table. All exercise, entertainment would be there. Karaoke and everything.
Very good. Wow, 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 wow.
Now they watch just did that.
I won't walk there.
They stopped because we have to put some more
Pipes.
pipes.
Hello.
But those are apparently. And we start the second floor. We're starting the second floor. Do all the wall, put the roof, and after that I will do the ceiling here.
Okay. Wow.
That would be like a little salon. That we will be able to take our beer and stuff like that. We'll be able to take the beer and stuff here. That will be the area.
I can't wait.
And this will be a step to go to the second garden.
Can't see the neighbor now.
No, you told me the guy was looking at your place.
The what?
You told me the guy was looking at your place.
A guy was looking at my place?
Before, they said, oh, they're always looking in my place.
Yeah.
So what I did, I made sure they don't look anymore. Look.
No, that doesn't bother me. That's good. Actually, we got a big mango tree in front, you see?
Yeah.
How big? That's the first tree we plant here.
We have a lot of trees there.
That's good.
That will be some more landscape.
Oh, you got a hyena.
With a tiger. A tiger. He's really protect at night. You come at night.
All right.
That will be landscaping here.
Yep. And the
And
pool?
that I have to do professional. That will be different. Watch soon. I will
Okay.
do that completely different.
And the pool will be here?
The pool will be starting here. Up to
Yeah.
the middle of this.
Sorry.
That's the pool.
Okay, the pool will be here, guys.
That's all the
I hope you can hear me.
That's all the pool.
Can I go have a look up there? Can I go have a look up
Sure,
there?
sure.
Okay, here's the top. Frenchie just lit across there. That tree's getting big and tall. Mango tree. This is the grass cutter.
Glenmore.
Ah, it's good. Send up there if you can.
So you will next week you will see big improvement because all the
Yeah.
wall will be done there.
Okay. All right. I'm sure you learned a lot in your life here, yeah? Like I did. All right, guys.
Construction. I used to build, supervise my own. Somebody. Shit, my back is terrible.
I'm the same. I can't bend over anymore.
You see, I'll fix that.
Oh, you're gonna do concrete wall? No?
Not that much about that, right? But the thing is, now everything is going to the garden.
All right. I need to cut my grass again. So busy and I've been sick. Last 4 weeks I've been so bad. It comes and goes,
Oh, shit,
and blood in the urine.
Oh.
I'm gonna start cutting grasses, guys. This is getting too much. Yeah, I have to come with my brand new beautiful whippersnipper and get rid of all that. It's terrible. Another job. You're on the wrong side of the fence. Ah, you are. You wanna open the door for Eddie, huh? You're so kind. Okay. Oh, you got so many bags. Hello. Hello, miss. Let me in. Bella, I always try to help. Oh, so many bags. Okay, I'm gonna start thinking about to cut this to length. And I need to put one post to post. I guess that's my opinion. Yeah, I'm gonna put a piece of that here. This. Taking shape, but I need to cut plenty more. But that's the idea. Yeah, another brand out. Damn it. Good boy. That's it, done. Run out of petrol for the power generator. Okay, I just found a problem while cutting those metal studs of the ceiling. The length between here and here is 2 inches smaller than from the other side, from here to here. So I found myself with a couple too short here. I didn't realize. Wow. Okay, anyway. So before I cut it to measure it. Okay, that's it for today. I haven't done much really, but I got too worst here, too short. Anyway, those things happen. Power generator still going. I know it's still brown out because see the light there. When that goes on, that means the power is back, because the carport's been connected separately to the house. It's good. What are you going there for? That dog. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all. Bye bye.